Well, here's our puppy's 1 week birthday.
1 week birthday.
1 week birthday. They're 1 week old. There's 2 of them snuggling with Andrew.
Yep. 3 now because
this
this
one
one.
is Buttercup, and Cinnamon's got the 2 dots on his bum. Cinnamon, where are you off to, little turkey? That's Libby and Juju. There's Libby. Libby's the biggest. You can't really tell, but she's busy too. There's Cooper. Cooper Duper.
Look at Bella.
Yeah, Bella's underneath. Hi, Cooper. They're way more active now.
Mom.
They'll be walking in no time.
Mom, Bella's.
That's okay.
At least
Where are you going, Cooper and Libby?
maybe they're in love.
You can see their feet are actually pushing under them now instead of just behind them. They're getting close to having getting their strength built up in their legs for sure. There's Juju just snoozing. Libby's always on the go. Cooper too. Hey, Cooper Duper. What you doing, little Coop? Hi, baby. Hi, little boy. Oh, no, little girl, sorry. Little girl. Little girl.
Cameo.
Hmm?
Cameo.
There's Juju. Hi, little Jujus.
Juju's.
Jujus. There's Libby.
Mom.
Libby, where are you going, Libby?
Mom, the adventure person.
Hi, Libby.
Mom, look at.
What are you doing, sweetheart?
Mommy.
I'm taking a picture of Libby right
Well,
now.
look at Mom.
Hi, sweetheart.
Mom, look at
Look at the
Buttercup.
cute face.
Wait. Mom, look at Cinnamon. Or Buttercup.
Cooper is going over the fence.
Mom, where did look at her.
Oh. Cinnamon's the boy. That's our only little boy. Hi, little boy.
Should we move him?
There he is.
Should we move him closer, Mom?
Yeah, we should probably move him. There's Bella.
Hey.
There's little Buttercup. Hi, little Buttercup. Andrew is sneaking one of the puppies. He's sneaking them into his arms to cuddle them. There's a puppy thief in our midst, trying to cuddle all the puppies. Bella, where's the puppy thief? Oh, now he's got 3 little puppies in there. Now he's got 4 little puppies in there. Have you got 5 little puppies in your arm?
Yes. That's so
5
small.
little puppies. Are you happy?
Yeah. They're looking at me. They are perfectly fine.
I know they're perfectly fine.
They're just whining a little bit.
Well, they probably want to be fed.
And now they're sucking on my nipple.
They're not sucking on your nipple. There's little Cooper Duper. Hey, little Cooper.
Feels so nice. Where did all your puppies go?
They want to be fed. That's what they're crying about now.
Ah, my forearm. One little puppy has been stolen. Another little puppy has been stolen. Another little puppy has been stolen. Another little puppy has been stolen.
How many is that? 4?
I got 4 puppies on my arm.
They want to be fed.
Yep. Give them to their rightful owner. Their mumu.
Mumu?
Yep. Alright. I got 1 little puppy in my arm.
Cooper?
Yeah, Cooper.
Who's your favorite so far?
I have a tie between Libby and Cooper.
Libby and Cooper?
And Buttercup.
Ah, yeah, Buttercup's pretty cute. They're all pretty cute. And you too. Hey, little girl?
Mom, how long will Bella live for?
Oh, she's got another 20 years in her.
20